This is ridiculous. Please, come on.
Are you one of them? You're here, but a
Had enough yet?
No, Dad, not even close.
I hoped you'd understand why I had to do this. Accept our rule, or die.
I'd like to propose a third option.
I'm not your son anymore! I'm the guy who's going to throw you off this planet for good. I'm...
Get ready.
I can tell you're angry. I've been there. But there's a better way.
What could be better than a bloodthirsty battle to the bitter end? Fight.
Gotcha!
Come on!
Oh, good one. Gotcha!
I'm ready. Shit.
At last! This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one! Gotcha!
Not a scratch. I got it.
I got you. This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one! This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one!
Nothing to me. Let's do this. Had to be done.
At last! All right!
I got it. Here. Here.
Yes! Yes!
Pathetic. Not a scratch.
This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one!
Outstanding.
Gotcha! Gotcha!
Shit.
This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one!
They were weak. I will not be. This will only make me fight harder.
Watch out now!
Yes.
Dog fighter! I got this! All right!
Make more
Time to knock some sense into you. Watch out now.
Yes. So weak. Make more pathetic. Make more
Time to end this.
Rad outfit on a rotten guy!
Damn. Wanna try harder? That's nothing to me. Done! Wanna try harder? Wanna try harder? That one eye gives me the creeps anyway.
Player 2 wins.
It is time to improve your skill set. Stop this at once. Well done. Assimilate this data carefully. Success. Studying new tactics is how you win. You learn quickly. Good. There is always more to learn.
Here you go!
Please don't do that.
Here you go!
You cannot penetrate.
Here you go!
I am not your average human.
This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one!
Outstanding!
As Rexplode says, time to level up your game.
Gotcha! 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 Here you go!
It's a strange feeling.
Here you go! Here you go!
Your performance is improving. There is always more to learn.
Here you go! 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 Gotcha! Here you go! Gotcha!
There is always more to learn.
Gotcha! Here you go!
Stop this at once. That was unfortunate. Good. As Rexplode says, time to level up your game. Please don't do that. Nice work. It is time to improve your skill set. You cannot penetrate my suit. Feeling. Well done. As Rexplode says, time to level up your game. I am not your average human.
Gotcha! Here you go! Here you go! Here you go! Gotcha! Gotcha! Gotcha!
Your performance is improving. There is always more to learn.
Get ready.
I looked up to you my whole life, but you were just a lying piece of shit.
Your life is the blink of an eye to a Viltrumite. You barely know me.
You're down!
big fan!
Ugh, an ugly version of me. Time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet. Time for a lesson. Had to be done. You're done. Nice try. Stop holding back there. Pay attention. That is not cool. Learn something. Die! Hold still! Had to be done. Are all Viltrumites this weak in your dimension? Fire 2 wins! Ready.
How the hell did you get here? Who sent you? I'm coming for them. Oh, maybe focus on the threat standing right in front of you.
Seriously? There.
Quit moving!
Come on.
Oh, good one. Quit moving!
Seriously? Watch it.
Quit moving! It's gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one! 60 seconds! Gotcha! Gotcha! I got it! Just stop! Damn it!
Die!
Just stop!
There can only be one of us. Always wanted to attend my own funeral. Hold still! At last! Here! Had to be done. Come on! Yes! Yes! They're mine. Watch it! Come on! Yes! Watch it! I got it. You gotta be fucking kidding me! Let's do this. Come here. Here. Hold still. Come here. Hey there. Time for a lesson. Pay attention. Pay attention. Learn something. Come on. Hold still. The Unopan champion? That was never gonna work. Player 2 wins. Ready.
Don't start with me. You know exactly what I'm capable of.
Oh, you've shared too much with me. I know your weaknesses.
Take this! Take this! Take this! Jesus!
You're a bad influence on my son.
Take this! Take this!
Jump it in here!
I'll heal.
This is it.
I got it!
Yes, yes!
Just don't make the saw! Just not the saw!
I'm up! Release me!
Nice try! Nice try!
It's gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one!
Hey there! Surprise! Dodge, sucker! Hold ya!
It's gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one! Oh, the Coalition's gonna be so disappointed, man.
Player 1 wins.
just the evaluation thing? I really gotta take you out again?
Keep talking smack! I'm gonna evaluate my fist into your face! What? Fistbreaker! Kinda rude!
Being big doesn't make you strong. Seriously? Time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet.
Impressive! Watch the scene!
My turn now.
Nice try. You're down! Okay, now I'm seriously mad.
Listen to me. You don't seem to understand. This battle isn't yours to win.
Impressive!
Time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet. A Unopan champion? That was never gonna work.
Fire King wins! Get ready!
You know, it kind of sucks that so many versions of me end up being evil. Oh, don't beat yourself up over it. Leave that to me. Gotcha! Here you go!
Watch it!
Gotcha! Here you go! Gotcha! Here you go! Raise me! Here you go!
Oh, shit!
No holding back anymore. Not aggressive.
Here you go!
You cold? I got it! Diving in!
Time for a lesson. I'm not even trying yet.
Here you go! Gotcha!
I thought Nolan punched some sense into you. Oh, shit.
hurt! Not done yet! Last one! This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one! Oh, the Coalition's gonna be so disappointed, man.
Player 1 wins. Get ready.
Heard you passed up first dibs on my costume. You never did have style.
You won't be so stylish once that suit's stained red. Quit it!
That's it.
Not a scratch.
Let's do this. Gotcha. That's it.
Oh, good one. This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one! This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one!
Let's do this.
Not a big fan.
Sweet.
I thought Nolan punched some sense into you. Hey there. What? No jokes? That's right! Did I just hear your back crack? Here we go! Nice try! Not on my watch! Hey there! Now I'm mad! Hey there! I got it! Here! Come on! Nice try! Kinda rude! Rude! Nice try! Not this time! Nice try! Hey there! You gotta be fucking kidding me! Incoming! Rude! Not on my watch! Kinda rude! Nice try!
And you're it. Roll out the Rex carpet.
Dodge, sucker! Told ya! This is not cool! Sorry, I know you're Mark's friend.
Player 1 wins.
Heard you passed up first dibs on my costume. You never did have style.
You won't be so stylish once that suit's stained red.
Nailed it.
Not a try.
Nailed it. See ya. Nailed it. Quit it.
Shit, your number's up.
This is gonna hurt. Not done yet. Last one.
Don't try it.
Hate to burst your INVINCIBLE. I thought Nolan punched some sense into you. Hey there. Die, sucker.
Raise me.
Incoming! I'm even better looking than I thought! Seriously? Not on my watch! Nice try! Incoming! Nice try! Come on! Come on! Nice try! Die, sucker! Hold ya! Outstanding! Incoming! Hey there! You gotta be fucking kidding me! Nice try! Want to see a great view? Getting punched is the price of admission! Surprise! Sorry about that, you super handsome guy.
Player 1 wins.
Come on, robot. With that big brain, you must know you can't win this.
The odds may be in your favor, but I am not without resources.
There! There!
This will hurt.
Watch it! Come on! I'm about to crush you. I'll make this quick. There. Here.
Here I am! Not rude!
I got it.
Oh, that a punch!
Seriously?
Stop holding back!
I got it.
You got...
You are damaging my suit.
Seriously?
Diving in! I got it! Nice try! Not seeing your face makes me uncomfortable. That is not cool!
Cease this.
Come on!
You cannot penetrate.
Watch it!
Cease this.
Come on! What? No jokes?
Gentlemen in here! That is not cool!
Are you doping, champion? That was never gonna work.
Fire 2 wins! Get ready!
How the hell did you get here? Who sent you? I'm coming for them. Oh, maybe focus on the threat standing right in front of you.
I'm here! I'm kinda rude! Incoming! Not this time! Nice try! Surprise!
Serious? I'm ready when you are.
Surprise!
Watch your head. I'm here. Time for a team up.
There.
I'm here.
Nice try!
Watch your head. Short-sighted for a guy with a giant eye. Good one.
do this. Since you love that execution ritual... Come on! Kinda rude. Nice try. Kinda rude. Pay attention. Learn something.
Are you Nopen champion? That was never gonna work.
Fire 2 wins. Get ready.
How the hell did you get here? Who sent you? I'm coming for them. Oh, maybe focus on the threat standing right in front of you. Gotcha! Gotcha!
On it!
Oh, good one. This is gonna hurt! Not done yet! Last one!
Great.
Jeez! Gotcha!
No holding back anymore.
Gotcha! Gotcha! Oh, shit!
Okay, now I'm seriously mad.
Fuck you! Gotcha! That's enough!
That's not cool.
Here you go! Quit moving! Oh, the Coalition's gonna be so disappointed, man.
Fire 2